Hey guys, it's that time of the year again. We have a bunch of family over and you need to cook a bunch. So I've strapped on my apron and looked through my cookbook and I've whipped up a meal that I can teach you all how to cook. Let's get to it. So today I'm going to be making meatball subs. Alright, so first we're gonna need meatballs, marinara, and buns. It's a pretty simple recipe and really quick, so you can whip it up and feed a whole bunch of your family. Alright, I'll get into the first step. Alright, so the first step is to preheat the oven. It says preheat oven to 350. So I'll preheat this and then wait for it to get ready. Alright, so as that is preheating, I'm gonna go get a tray to put the meatballs on. So here I go. We got the tray, and now to lay the meatballs out on it. Let's go. We have a tray. I'm gonna lay some meatballs out on it. So here's the bag. We're just gonna one at a time. Alright, so there's all the meatballs laid out. Okay, so the oven's preheated, and now it's time to put these meatballs into the oven. So I'm gonna go get my mitts, safety first, and get them in there. Set the timer for 20 minutes. It's ticking away, and in a little bit we'll make the sauce, and then that should be good. Alright, so it's still cooking, but now it's time to start the sauce. So got our sauce here, and I'm gonna go get the pan. Alright, let's look in here. Get the sauce. Alright, now let's pour it in. We're gonna let that cook for a little bit, but I think our meatballs are, they're almost done, so. So there's our meatballs, they're all done, and now it's time to add them to the sauce, so. Now it's time to stir these up, and then that should, we should be good. All right. And there we have it. There we have the meatballs and the sauce, and that's warming up the sauce now. So after that, we can just get the buns out, and that's the entire meal. So thank you. So there you have it, a nice, simple, delicious meal for you and your family. Have a happy holidays and stay safe, everyone.